Hey guys, it's Brendan with Blue Tiger Massage. How you doing today? I wanted to talk about a different type of modality that I haven't talked about with you that I do, which is called lymphatic drainage. Very basic work. I have not taken um, specialized training in lymphatic drainage, but I do have extensive training on the eastern side in terms of um, lymphatic drainage and helping support people's natural healing abilities that their body has still. Um, and what a beautiful day out. I don't think you can see it though. Sorry about that. But I do want to talk about what the lymphatic system is and what it consists of. It are a bunch of organs and ducts and nodes in your body that distribute immune cells and other factors throughout your body that interact with your blood through the circulatory system to drain the fluid from your cells and tissues. So that's kind of a big, tall order for your body to handle, and it's very important because what lymph is this clear to white fluid that contain the lymphocytes, basically white blood cells that go to attack bacteria in your body, but also the lymph fluid kind of contains the or I don't know if it's interstitial fluid, uh, but I think it's the lymphatic system is basically squeezing out the fluids that get into your tissues um, that basically go to your blood and recirculate. So it's always having this recirculatory effect with your blood and your lymph work together to kind of support your immune system. And these um, the lymph also has what's called chyle, which contain proteins and fats from your intestines, um, and or fluid from your intestines and contain protein, salts, glucose, fats, and water. So all these nutrients that your body's needing to support itself. Um, and the organs quickly the organs associated with your lymphatic system is your thymus and your spleen, and then also the lymphoid organs that are associated with helping your digestive system do what it needs to do to carry out its job. And the way the lymph flows, so like blood in your veins, contraction of your skeletal muscles compresses and collects um, from your vessels and squeezes the fluid along. So your lymph system does the same thing, and it's one direction. Does not go in two directions. Just like your circulatory system, it has certain ways. Arteries are toward the heart, and veins are away from the heart. Or maybe I have it mixed up. I'll have to relook that up, but I think I got it right. But anyway, the return of the blood in the veins, the lymph can all flow in one direction only, and it flows into a single major vessel like your thoracic duct to recirculate. And another thing I wanted to talk about was how your lymph nodes drain. The vessels converge to form one or two large vessels called the lymphatic trunks, and those are connected to veins at the base of your neck. And one of these trunks, the right lymphatic duct, drains into the upper right portion of the body, which returns lymph to the bloodstream via the right subclavian vein. So as you can see, there's kind of an interaction of your circulatory system with your lymphatic system, which is very important to vascularizing your blood, getting oxygen to areas of your body that need it. And the one main point of this video was to explain why lymph drainage is necessary. So your blood or your body has its own ability to do lymphatic drainage. Some are more efficient than others, some aren't, depending on people's diets and their the way that they treat their body, and how well they nurture it, and how well people's organs in their body are working. The lymph drainage is crucial because waters and proteins and other substances of your body are continuously leaking from tiny blood capillaries into the surrounding body tissues. Sometimes people get swollen in certain areas of their body because lymph is not draining efficiently. So if the lymphatic system didn't drain excess fluid from the tissues, basically lymph fluid builds up in those tissues and begin to swell. So, and we all know if tissues become inflamed, it delays the healing process. So one of the main reasons for lymphatic drainage would be to basically to help heal or to help balance the body, the body's organs and their ability to not just provide efficient circulatory effects, but also lymphatic effects. And we all know that the lymphatic system is very tied to your immunity and to certain diseases or illnesses or conditions. So the main job of the lymphatic system is to collect that extra lymph fluid that leaks into those tissues of your body and return it to the blood to be either reoxygenated or to excrete waste in your tissues. So massage does a great job in helping with that. And just wanted to reiterate, it's important because water and proteins and other substances continually leak into those surrounding body tissues. So one big example is people that get swelling in their ankles or their calves, where you're seeing a lot of kind of inflammation in that area, or you can't really see their muscles at all, or you can't really see any definition. A lot of the times it's because toxins are just in that area or there's fluid buildup. What we work to do as massage therapists that practice basic lymphatic drainage is to help kind of encourage lymph drainage. So I want to show you one basic area where I'd show you is the arm of how I would do lymphatic drainage on the arm on a table. So lying face up, I would start and kind of trying to warm up the area first and kind of some people that have lymph circulatory issues need you to use lighter pressure. So this isn't legitimate massage where you're getting really deep in there. You're really trying to warm the body up first, or the area that you're doing. So we would start and do pump, 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 go down a couple inches, pump, 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 pump. You saw we just skip the joint area. This isn't, joints have fluid in them, but the joint capsule has synovial fluid, which is totally separate than lymph fluid. And then after you're done pumping on the arm, you go back into the direction in which the lymph flows. So we're never going to go downwards, or it's always proximal or distal to proximal, or so the kinesiology experts say. So that was one area of lymphatic. Ooh, and I feel a little effect. You kind of feel that calming effect, but you're helping your lymph system drain itself. So I hope that was really helpful, and I hope I showed you a little bit of my personality and willingness to help you with your massage needs. But book your lymphatic drainage massage today, and you won't regret it. And we'll see you guys soon. Thanks.